Hello, my name is Jorge Enrique Oviedo Rivera. I am married. I'm from La Cumbre Valle del Cauca. I am 48 years old. I am a laboratorian at the cement company Argos, and I study industrial management technology at UNAD. I live in the municipality of Jumbo Valle del Cauca. I was born in the municipality of La Cumbre Valle del Cauca, and today I come to tell you a lie about it. It is located 40 minutes from the municipality of Jumbo. It's a small tourist town in the valley. It is characterized by the cold climate and the kindness of the people who live there. There is a great variety of dishes such as chocolate, which is an wafer to speed a pleasant afternoon. However, there are other types of food such as tamales, empanadas, arepas. The beginning of the New Year is very much awaited the inhabitants as the people who usually visit this township since it will be celebrated the day of the blacks and whites and the commemorate it be meeting and the playing in the family with floor um, music and games. In conclusion, it is the best festivity from adults and from adults and children. People usually go on the weekend to eat at different restaurants located on the main road meals run from hamburger to lasagna. In conclusion, it is a very cozy light town full of the friendly people and healthy environment for the family and full of many activities to do. I hope you can visit someday. You will like to thank you for your attention. Thank you. Tamales, empanadas, festivities.